in south central Mississippi, southeastern Lawrence County in south central Mississippi, southwestern Jefferson Davis County in south central Mississippi, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oakville, or 12 miles southeast of Monticello, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near, or around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Progress around 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Prentice and Silver Creek around 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for south central Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Jackson has